Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to renew your hosting on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to billing. And here you will see the subscriptions available on your website. And to renew your hosting, for example, here I have a business web hosting plan. To renew it, it's simple. Just click on this little arrow. Here you will see a subscription details, and in this corner you will see the renew button. Click on it. Here from this list you can select the renewal period. For example, before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Here from this list you can select the renewal period, for example 12 months, 24 months, or 48 months. Let's go for example with the 24 months. Here you can add services, for example daily backup is for free for me. Here you can see the next expiration date after this selected period. If you have a coupon code, you can add it here. And for the you can use the Hostinger balance, which means the remaining the unused hosting plan. For example, here I still have a 43.56 remaining dollars, or so it is deducted. And this is the total that you should pay for this renewal. And here click on choose payment method. You can renew your hosting on Hostinger using your credit card. Just fill in your credit card information and hit submit payment. You can also pay using PayPal. Just click on this PayPal checkout button. A new window pops up. Fill in your PayPal email address and password and hit pay. You can also pay using Google Pay or Apple Pay. For under additional payment methods, you have Alipay Plus or CoinGate. And this is how to renew your hosting on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.